Hello, pot delighters. Let's make this simple fried rice. I know you would definitely add this to your menu. Let's get started. Chop all the vegetables, add them together in a bowl, season it, and let it sit whilst we cook the rice. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Now let's cook the rice. Add a little butter and vegetable oil in the pot. Into that, add chopped garlic and fry for some minutes. Add the chopped onion. Allow to fry for few minutes. Go ahead and add your washed rice. A little salt, dark sauce, and just a little water to cook the rice. You don't want a mushy rice. You can also use the stock of your meat instead of water. Now our rice is cooked. Let's go ahead and fry. Heat some oil in your pan. Add chopped onion. Fry for few minutes and then add all the vegetables. Allow to cook for 5 minutes. go ahead and add the rice. Mix very well to combine. Follow it up with curry powder, chicken sauce, oyster sauce, and give that a mix. Add fried egg. Mix everything together. I fry the egg separately. Make sure to mix everything together and cook this on a high heat. Finally, our fried rice is ready. So simple, right? Just look at this. So colorful. And it smells so good. My kitchen is smelling so good. All the ingredients are listed in the description box. I was glad to pair my fried rice with this juicy baked chicken. I'll share the recipe for the baked chicken in my next video. Let me know if you try this recipe in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Bye!